Hello everybody, my name's JPcrazy, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a piano in Blender. Okay, let's get started. SZ, scale this down, SY, scale this up a little wider, press tab, click on this, SZ, hold on, wait, E to extrude, bring it out, which you could either, hold up, oh, you can either use, well, X or the mouse, then scale it like this. It has like a little curve, SZ, scale it and make it a little thinner, SZ again, because yeah. Now duplicate it with Shift D, S, G, X or G mouse wheel. Have it right about like this. Hold up, wait. Press E. Oh. Scale it like this. Boom. Sort of bit. You know what? I'm gonna make it where it doesn't really have a top. I'm just gonna make it where it sort of like this. Yeah. Okay, so now click on this little wrench, add modifier, general, click on boolean, or yeah, we'll use the little selection tool, click on this, click on the arrow, apply, and then we can just delete with X or delete or some of the others, and then boom, we're gonna have the spot for the keys. SZ because I kind of want it a little smaller. Shift A, cube, shrink it with S, bring it out, SX. Okay, do that, and then, bruh. Okay. There we go. And wait, tab, A, Control C, wait, Control B, C, to make it where the edges makes it where it don't go, just go like, well. Crazy. Okay, now click on the wrench again, go over here and go, where is it at? Array. And then oh, not this way. What the heck? Okay, there we go. 0, and now where it's kind of close, but not like really, really close. Boom, like something like that. Nice. I feel like it's a little too long, so I'm gonna do this again. Now make it where it's just to your heart's desire of how many keys you want this piano to have. You could be realistic to have how many keys it normally has, or not. I'm just gonna place about this much. Yeah, it's nice. Now if you want, you could bring this up and make the other ones, but oh, that is kind of a little. You could do something more like this, like that, and then this. Make it where it's a little more spaced. Whoa. Like that. Duplicate that again. Maybe duplicate this. Make it where it's 4. Make this, but it's 3 equal 2, and maybe like do this. See? Nice, improved. We do all this, click that, click this, and click that. And Control A, wait on these, right here. Control A on the modifier tab things. If it's outside, it will not work, and we'll kind of just do that. Do that. Okay, so grab all the top keys, click all of them, right click, and then click on join. Let's add some, why don't we add some colors? Bro, I know you're my protection software. I am recording a video. Okay. Let's go over here, click on new. Hold up, let's get the right measurements for that. Perfect, and I did not definitely just, wait, where'd that ruler come from? I'm being for real, I did not have a ruler on my desk. Where did that? Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that, and let's make these keys, well, black. Make a new texture, make sure to click on this. Make these ones white, not too light. I'm gonna make them look a little metallic and do a little of that. I'll put down roughness a little bit. Same with these, and do a little bit of that. It'll look like really good if you decide to do this, and then change it to cycles, and then it'll look. This kind of looks like one of those electric pianos. Okay, that's what we're doing now. Those 3 ones are a little too close, and so are those, but I don't care. It still looks really nice. So they are really okay. Maybe we are gonna do, well, you know, thing. So just bring this up a little bit. That, and A, Control B, make it look all nice. New texture, make it where it's brown, I guess. This ain't a texture video. I have like a kind of semi-texture video on the channel anyways. Then you can make it boom. Then you can, well, make the keys, of course, you know. Boom, boom. Yeah, okay. Oh, wait a minute. It's gonna turn this on. I should have had that on that start. Okay. Don't know why it doesn't work, but okay. That's probably why it didn't work when I clicked on it. Anyways, the legs. Click on this again, E, and then boom, piano. Oh wait, we need to have the little pedal things. So, Shift A, add a cube. I've not been telling you guys what to do. The spawn stuff. Okay, so Shift A, sorry about that. Man. It's not going to a great start. Okay. Make the little pedal thing. Press Tab, E, extrude, bring it out. Bring this down a little bit, and then boom, boom, and then A, Tab A, Control B, and then boom, nice. Little, I don't really know how those pedal things work, but I'm gonna add 2 of them. I've seen like very few real pianos, so yeah. Oh yeah, if you make a mistake, Control Z. I really, bruh. Okay, so now I'm gonna make it with this 2 and Shift A cube, bring it down, scale it like this, S Z and S Y S X, scale it. Oh, now since we got the pedal, Control B, boom like that, boom, and then maybe we can give it that texture, yeah. Then we can make a new texture for the thing, gray and metallic. Nice. That looks a little too gray. Let's make it less gray. And see, that looks nice. We're not trying to make the best piano looking in the world, but it looks pretty nice. I like it. And how did I make a shoe? How did I make a shoe? Okay, I'm just gonna know how I make a shoe. Boom, pedal things. Boom. And the last thing we need to do for the amazing piano, well, maybe a few more things, but some. Click on strength, delete, and enter. Then it's a lot better. Yeah. Make it where it's like super dramatic, so I'm gonna make like a little like dun da 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 da. Okay. And of course the one thing that we do not have to do but I wanna do, we're gonna make it where the keys go dun, 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 but like instead of like normally it's just gonna go and the entire thing's just gonna go. Okay, so click on these. Click on this. See this? Make sure it's on 1. Press G and click. Boom. There's another way to do it by like keyframing something, but I find this way easier. So then on frame 5, we can make it where it goes bonk. And click on that one. Shift D and put it on next frame 5, and then. See? Nice. It's really nice. Really nice. Now on frame 10, that's when this guy's gonna start. And it's gonna go like down, and then boom. We animated a piano. Hold up, I didn't even. Did it even go down? Hold up. Okay, now select both of these and duplicate, 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 and now we have there. How to make piano in Blender, done and dealt with. Or we could I know some of you have seen some of these. I don't know why they're getting so popular, but let's just cloth and then where did it go? So we go over here, give it collision, and which bonk 1 face, 4 face. 64 frames. I know some of you have seen these. 16 faces. 9,444 faces. It's so laggy, bro, my PC. But yeah, like, it's like really smooth and beautiful, and yeah, piano, really nice. Hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. My name's JPcrazy. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. See you next time. Have a great time.